Want to receive your payouts on Airbnb directly to your bank? Here's how to add your bank account step by step. First, open your browser and go to airbnb.com. Log in to your account if you haven't already. Next, click your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Account from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find the Payments and Payouts section and click it. Now you'll see two tabs, Payments and Payouts. Go to the Payouts tab and click Set up Payouts. In the center of the screen, click Add Bank Account, then hit Continue. Select the account holder type, click Next, and enter your bank account details such as routing number, account number, and bank name. Follow the remaining steps on the screen, and once done, your bank account will be added to Airbnb for future payouts. And that's how to set up your bank account on Airbnb. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.